How to add Favicon to Shopify store. My name is Elias and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually update your Shopify store Favicon. And if you don't already know, a Favicon is basically just the icon on the top left of all of your tabs. Now, to actually update your Favicon, you will just have to head over to your online store on the left, and then under themes, you will have to select the live store of yours. So in this case, this is going to be the Dawn theme right here. And then you will just have to click on customize on the right. And once we've opened up the editor, we will just have to head over to the theme settings on the left right here. And then on the logo and on the Favicon, we can then upload our own image. Now please notice that this is going to be scaled down to 32 by 32 pixels, which basically means that all of your Favicon logos should have a ratio of 1:1, otherwise they won't really look good because they're so small scaled down. Now I will just quickly upload my own Favicon right here. I'm quickly just going to upload it, and then I'm going to click save on the top right. And when we are then going to exit, and when we are then going to look at the preview right here, we can see that our Favicon got updated. In my case, I just updated it to a white K. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.